Hey guys, so today I'll be reviewing Trader Joe's butter chicken with basmati rice. It contains a serving size is 1 cup, and there's 1 serving per container. It has 270 calories. That's surprisingly low. I was at Trader Joe's and I couldn't decide what to get, and I called my mom and she told me to get this. And it's pretty good. I already ate it. You can cook it in the microwave or in the oven, and my housemates and I don't have a microwave, so I cooked it in the oven, and it was pretty good. Let me show you. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Now, my mom recommended that I put raisins on it, which I did. I used the Trader Joe's Jumbo Raisin Medley. It's pretty good. This is, serving size is 1/4 cup, and each serving has about 130 calories. She was right, I put raisins on the rice, and it was definitely added to the flavor. I paired this with the Trader Jose premium beer. It's pretty good. Definitely recommend. The butter chicken was $3.99. I don't know how much the raisins were because I bought them earlier. Trader Jose is $4.99 for a 6-pack, and fortunately, Trader Joe's will let you buy 1 beer at a time, so I bought 1. And I forget how much they charged me for it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend the butter chicken.